So not all of us have the privilege of buying the latest and the greatest hardware when it hits the market. Most of the time we have to work with what we have, and most of the time that means older stuff. So when we work with our old laptop or computer, sometimes we feel how I could make this thing a little faster. Well, I can tell you how to make your old laptop or any old computer a little bit faster and for free. So you can find lots of methods, steps, tricks, tutorials in the internet to how to make your computer faster. But today we are going to try undervolting. I know this sounds scary, undervolting, but believe me, it is not. It is 100% safe to perform, and if you have new hardware, it will not void your warranty, so do not worry about that. So undervolting is where you lower the voltage going to your CPU. So lower voltage means lesser heat means consistent performance, and if you're using a laptop, then better battery performance. And if you have a old laptop or computer, you can get up to 15 to 20% boost in performance, and honestly I have seen some serious performance increase in older laptops. So if you're using a old laptop and you want to get a little bit more performance out of it, I definitely encourage you to try this method. So that doesn't mean if you have a new laptop or new computer you cannot try it. You totally can. Not only that, a lot of manufacturers are shipping their laptops undervolted out of the box. So we need some softwares to do this process. First is a stress testing software. In this case we are using Prime 95. Second, we need a hardware monitoring utility to monitor our average temps and average clocks. For that we will use HW monitor or hardware monitor. Some benchmarking software like Geekbench and Cinebench R20, and the most important piece of software, and that is our undervolting utility. If you have a supported Intel CPU, then you can use Intel Extreme Tuner. If you don't, you have a AMD CPU or your Intel CPU is not supported, you can use throttle stop. In this case we are going to throttle stop. First we need to run the stress test to get our base temps and average clock speed, and we can do that with HW monitor. After that is out of the way, we need to open throttle stop and go to FIVR options, then unlock the adjustment voltage, then go to offset voltage and set to -50 millivolts. Do the same thing with CPU cache, then save voltage immediately, then hit apply. Now we need to run our benchmarking softwares, in this case Geekbench and Cinebench R20. And one important thing, note down the scores so you can compare those results later, and if all goes well then keep dropping it by 10 millivolts increment until we get a stable undervolt. And if later you got a blue screen of death or your computer crashes, just go to the last stable voltage offset and leave it there and test again. So that's it. It's very simple and not that scary. So now what you have to do is go try it and let me know in the comment section what kind of performance improvement you got. So that's it for this video. If you like this one, hit the like button. If you don't, well, hit the dislike button. No hard feelings, man. But if you have any questions, any queries, definitely leave it down in the comment section. And also if you want to see any particular topic, let me know in the comment section and I will try to make a video about that. And if you made this far, why don't subscribe? Why don't? And do share this video, it's totally free. And this is Akash and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.